Founded in Chicago, Illinois back in 1931, Dwyer Instruments got its start as the F.W. Dwyer Manufacturing Company. The company's namesake and founder, Mr. F.W. Dwyer, had invented an innovative new product, a patented fluid-filled plastic incline manometer used as a draft gauge for furnaces and boilers. This was the beginning of the company's foundation of being famous for its low-pressure sensing technologies. Manufactured from a clear plastic block with board indicating tubes and reservoirs, this manometer represented cutting-edge technology for its day and time. That original Dwyer product is still available today as the Series 100, the result of Dwyer's ongoing commitment to service, quality, and innovation. The success of F.W. Dwyer's original product led to a vigorous expansion program, started under the leadership of Mr. J.G. Dwyer, and the resulting growth soon required new and larger facilities. In 1955, the company moved from Chicago to a new facility in Michigan City, Indiana. As sales and market share continued to grow, so too did Dwyer's reputation as an industry leader, and in 1960, the company moved again to a larger facility, still in Michigan City. The company headquarters are still located there today, the facility having been expanded many times since then. Growth has never stopped for Dwyer, and today Dwyer has manufacturing locations all over the United States, in Michigan City, Indiana, Wakarusa, Indiana, Walcott, Indiana, Kingsbury, Indiana, Kansas City, Missouri, Anaheim, California, and Fergus Falls, Minnesota. Part of the growth of Dwyer Instruments has been the acquisition of other instrumentation companies and product lines. In 1978, Dwyer Instruments had its first acquisition, W.E. Anderson Incorporated of Kansas City, Missouri. W.E. Anderson was founded in 1950 by Mr. W.E. Anderson, a later-in-life inventor who decided to quit being the president of a large corporation to pursue his creative ideas. The company's first two products were made for hospital use. The first, an instrument for recording the amount of oxygen administered to patients, and the other for detecting the presence of static electricity in the air to prevent ignition of the oxygen. W.E. Anderson now manufactures flow switches, pressure switches, level switches, sight flow indicators, and ground and continuity controls. Mirko came into existence when a young independent inventor with an innovative switch design needed a manufacturer for his idea. He found an interested instrumentation manufacturer, the Federal Gauge Company of Chicago, Illinois, that had extensive bourdon tube experience dating back to 1917. Mirko's first control was a bourdon tube pressure switch that was released in 1921. The switch, with its ingenious design, became an instant success and has lasted over 80 years through its evolution into the present D-Series pressure control. The D-Series is still the premier adjustable pressure switch on the market today. The company was at the forefront of controls technology during the foundation of the heating and refrigeration industries, which drove expansions into temperature and level controls. Mirko experienced continued success and was eventually acquired by Dwyer Instruments in 1984. Mirko innovated mercury switches, which is where the namesake arrived. Today, Mirko is much more than mercury switches, with almost all products being available mercury-free with snap switches. Mirko has continued to be a market leader with expansions into many new products, including level transmitters and digital pump controllers.